Hey guys, this is my 2017 RZR 900S. Today we're doing a demo on the electric hydraulic steering, which is probably a first on a RZR. I've never seen one before, so yeah, something new and kind of exciting. I also got a lot of other upgrades like super ATV arms and winch, all that fun stuff. Turbo hood, lights, blah blah blah. I am doing this film to show the hydraulic steering we made. As you can see, it's kind of in there. You can't really see it very well, but it's in there. So here we can see the ram in action. Uses stock tie rods. It could be whatever size, different size or aftermarket tie rods. As you can see, it's turning these 32s on dry pavement with no issue at all. Here we're going to do a quick demonstration to show the various speeds you can get with the different size orbitals. We're going to turn it on now and just run off of battery power to show you how fast the wheels can go back and forth from lock to lock. My current setup is about one turn lock to lock. It's pretty fast, but it's really good for the tight ATV style trails we ride here. So that's the pump turning on, and we're turning it full lock to lock right now, and we could do that without, as you can see, taking your hands off the wheel. When you have a high lock-to-lock turn, you have to remove your hands from the wheel to keep steering the wheel. With this setup, you can keep your hands on the wheel all the time and have much faster steering for technical trails. So here we're going to show the amount of steering effort it takes to turn the system. You can literally do it with one finger. You could probably do it with your pinky finger for the dainty drivers. Here you can see the wheel move and how literally easy it is with just one finger. Wish I had some 42s to fit on this sucker.